Well, it appears old man winter was waiting for us for the start of 2025. We have weather impact alert days beginning today right into your Thursday due to the lake effect snow and also just a shock to the system. Cold air will be long standing going throughout the next several days along with the wind. It could gust as high as 35 miles an hour. So the early morning snow will be zipping out of here as we approach sunrise for this morning. We'll catch a lull in the action, I'd say between 7 and 9 o'clock for your rush hour drive if you are heading to work for this morning. Then more lake effect snow, lake enhanced snow will develop as we approach 11 and noon o'clock. That will continue right into the early afternoon hours, 5 o'clock. Multi-band setup for us, so this will be likely throughout the evening right into the overnight, possibly a single band setup throughout the overnight. That means heavy snow for the primary snow belt. Waking up to more scattered lake effect snow for your Thursday morning. Thursday afternoon, more the same. Then a high pressure system will be slowly eroding away from the cloud coverage, and the lake effect snow will be shutting off from west to east as we approach sunset for your Thursday, leaving temperatures in the 20s with clearing skies. For your Wednesday, not a lot of snow with this one, although the snow is already beginning to stack up due to the lake effect Wednesday snow. Thursday lake effect snow, expect higher impacts off to the east in the primary snow belt. We'll take a deeper dive with their numbers. General 1 to 3 inch for the Cleveland Metro. The further east you go, I'm thinking east of 271. That is when you can run into possibly 3 to 6 inches of snow. Where snow bands persist, we can see higher amounts upwards to a foot of snow on the high end of this. So because of the weather impact alert day, we have this warning that will continue into Thursday at 7 o'clock. Also a winter weather advisory for Lakeshore Ashtabula County. They expect at least 4 to 8 inches of snow out there. That is going through Friday. Speaking of which, Friday, we're going to be gearing up for our next minor storm system, a clipper system, a fast moving one, but it will give us widespread snow along with another higher chance of possibly slick travel as we get closer to your weekend. Here it is, clipper system, light to moderate snow breaking out for us across all of the Buckeye State, likely for your Friday morning. Then more lake effect that will generate behind all this. And check this out, as we wrap up this weekend, more updates on this to come, but as right now, this particular solution showing this low, taking a deeper dive throughout the Tennessee River Valley. If this shifts a little bit closer up to the north, that means higher impactful snow with this potential winter storm that will be likely rolling through. This is Monday and the Tuesday of next week. Take a look at this going throughout the next 7 days. Where you see the red, that's at least a foot of snow. Our GFS model has that stripe of heavier snow through central Ohio, further south when it comes to the possibility of seeing higher totals with the European computer model. Wednesday, Thursday, impacts, alert days due to the lake effect snow. Friday, more impacts due to the clipper system. We'll catch a break for this weekend with 20s. It's just going to be cold for the first full week of January. Then Monday and Tuesday, we'll keep you updated with the potential of a winter storm rolling through Monday and Tuesday with lake effect sliding in behind all of that.